Have you noticed any particular difference in terms of the kind of interaction you get between video and repeating somebody else's article or writing your own stuff or etc.? Like, what works best on Twitter?
Certainly. You do get a lot more engagement with video. There's no doubt about it. I will put out a short video clip that may be something very innocuous, but because it's happening at the White House and showing something a bit unusual, it will get a lot of views and a lot of engagement just because it's something a little bit different. So if you can put a video, if it's relevant, into your tweet or even a photograph, it will get more engagement than just some text. And obviously having a link is even better than just plain text. You're linking to something else on the web to give people more information about what you're tweeting about. So the holy grail, I guess, is having them all, is having a link and some video or a photograph on your tweet, and you will see that it will perform better than usual.